Hello friends, welcome to Mojoomla. So today we are going to see how in WP Gym, which is #1 gym management system on Envato, how you can create a nutrition plan. So for fitness enthusiasts and fitness people who are seeking for fitness, how good and how important nutrition plan and the diet is. So we need to manage the diet properly in the system. So let's check it out how it works in WP Gym. So once you log in WP Gym, you will see a dashboard where you will see the whole overview of the complete gym management system, your membership details and everything. So from the left side menu, we will see the nutrition schedule. So click on nutrition schedule, click on plus icon. So if any existing nutrition plans, you will see in nutrition libraries, or if it is plan assigned, it will see in member nutrition. Let's just click on plus icon. So there you will see two options, template or individual. If you select individual, then these are the nutrition plan for the individual members. For now, we'll select the template. So this template can be reused for multiple members. That's the beauty of it. So let's create a plan called protein for 12 weeks. Let's select all day. Sometimes you can just skip the Sunday and maybe Monday to Saturday. You can also upload the plan image. So nutrition plan, whatever image you want to put. Some plans, some nutrition plans are for the free membership plans, or some for the premium. So we'll select the premium for now. So over here you can select different ingredients, or maybe your recipes for the breakfast. So yogurt, beans, and milk, egg, nuts, eggs. Or for the lunch you might want to keep something. And also for the dinner you might have some different. So you can also define the portion and everything. Over here we just have oversimplified version of it, but maybe you can also define a portion like 200 gram of salad or something like that, or sweet potatoes, maybe 100 gram of potatoes or something like that. So let's just click on add nutrition. So our nutrition schedule is now added, and you can see in the listing, so protein is our nutrition plan. So the library can be reused for multiple users. So now we can view the plan, and now we can assign a nutrition plan to multiple members. So if we click on assign nutrition plan, we'll see the member list. Now we can select a new member, or if we want to remove an old member from this plan, we can do that from the same screen. Or if you want to assign the same plan to all, select all kind of thing. So the checkbox will ensure that you assign this particular plan to multiple members. If you want to assign to a single member, that's also possible. So it gives you the option to assign a plan to single member or multiple members. So now we have added a nutrition plan successfully and assign it to a few members. Now let's just check it how it looks for the member side, right? So we have assigned that plan to Christina. You can go and check how it works. So on Christina's landing page, we'll see the nutrition tab over there, where we can click on protein as a plan, and there it is. So we have 12 weeks. You can also modify this particular plan for that particular member. I mean, depending on their situation, if you don't want to have them the plan on the Sunday, same nutrition plan, or for Saturday and Sunday, if you want to keep a different plan, you can always do that as well. Or if you want to add a new details on the existing listing that we have done earlier, you can do that as well. So this way you can actually keep track of the nutrition plans that is given to all the members within the system. So this is good for any person who wants to increase their weight or lose weight, or track their fitness goals. They can be assigned a nutrition plan from our system very easily. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel for more interesting video like this. Thank you.